season arrives early in the tri-state, and the number of cases is rising. 9 on your side reporter Bryce Onslinger is here now with what you need to know to keep your family safe. Bryce?
Well, Carol, doctors are constantly monitoring flu activity around the country and here in the tri-state. In the past 24 hours, more than 50 kids have been admitted to Cincinnati Children's Hospital, and many likely suffering from the flu.
You can see it's really ramped up.
The graph put out by the CDC tells the story. The cases of flu in the U.S. are on the rise. According to the Greater Cincinnati Health Council, 37 people in our area have been admitted to hospitals with confirmed cases of the flu. In fact, one classroom at the Mason Early Childhood Center had 12 kids stay home sick today. 6 have confirmed cases of the flu.
You can see that there's been a significant increase in influenza activity.
Dr. Derek Wheeler is the Associate Chief of Staff at Cincinnati Children's Hospital. He says they've seen a spike in people suffering from flu-like symptoms in the past week, and it's happening earlier than normal.
What we're seeing is just numbers. We're seeing a lot more cases of patients that are presenting with flu-like illnesses. The severity of the illness is we're really not seeing that yet.
Dr. Wheeler expects this year's flu season to be a bad one, partly due to the fact that the flu vaccine may not be as effective as it has been in past years.
Based on some of the data that we're seeing, there's more variation in the type of flu viruses that we're seeing. And just based on past experience, whenever they've seen that type of variation, the flu vaccine may not be as effective.
But Dr. Wheeler and most medical professionals still encourage people to get the vaccine, because even if it doesn't prevent you from getting the flu, it can ease the symptoms if you get it.
And hospitals in the area are starting visitor restrictions earlier than anticipated. That means only healthy people 14 years old and older will be allowed to visit people in the hospital until the restriction is lifted. Carol and Julie?
All right, thank you, Bryce. Has the flu hit your neighborhood? Our Facebook page is a resource you can use to check that. People telling us about the flu and a nasty stomach virus that's going around, along with respiratory infections. Stay well and remember to wash your hands. On the better side,